FP3 2015. So to differentiate this, we're going to let y equal the inverse tan of the square root of 1 minus x squared all over x minus 3. That means that tan y equals the square root of 1 minus x squared all over x minus 3. Differentiating the left-hand side, we get sec squared y. We have to remember to multiply by dy dx. And the right-hand side is going to be slightly more complicated. We have a quotient. So we have u and v. U is 1 minus x squared to the power 1/2, and v is x minus 3. Whenever we differentiate u, we get 1/2 times minus 2x, 1 minus x squared to the power minus 1/2. So that is minus x upon 1 minus x squared to the power minus 1/2. And whenever we differentiate v, we get 1. This means that sec squared y dy dx equals v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. Sec squared y is 1 plus tan squared y, so that is 1 plus 1 minus x squared all over x minus 3 all squared dy dx. And what we're going to do is we need to divide both sides by this, but remember that's the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So before I can do that, we need to rewrite it as a single fraction. It becomes x minus 3 all squared plus 1 minus x squared all over x minus 3. And x minus 3 all squared is x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 1 minus x squared all over x minus 3 all squared. So in the top we have minus 6x plus 10 all over x minus 3 all squared. Filling in the bits I've ignored up until now, we have a dy dx equals x minus 3 upon minus x 1 minus x squared to the power minus 1/2. Take away 1 minus x squared to the power 1/2 all over x minus 3 all squared. So dy dx equals x minus 3 all squared over minus 6x plus 10, which I'm going to factorize, so that's minus 2 upon 3x minus 5, multiplied by x minus 3 minus x upon 1 minus x squared to the power minus 1/2 minus 1 minus x squared to the power 1/2 all over x minus 3 all squared, and the x minus 3 all squareds cancel. Remember back to your A level where we have square roots. If we multiply each term by the square root, we can use that to manipulate this. So my first fraction is 1 over minus 2 upon 3x minus 5 multiplied by minus x upon x minus 3, and 1 minus x squared to the power minus 1/2 multiplied by 1 minus x squared to the power plus 1/2 is 1 minus x squared to the power 0, so that is 1 minus 1 minus x squared, and 1/2 times 1/2 will give us the plus 1 all over 1 minus x squared to the power 1/2. So that leaves me with 1 over minus 2 upon 3x minus 5 multiplied by minus x squared plus 3x minus 1 plus x squared all over 1 minus x squared to the power 1/2. If we continue on with the manipulation, there's a lot of algebra in this. That equals 1 over minus 2 upon 3x minus 5 multiplied by 3x minus 1 all over 1 minus x squared to the power 1/2. So that is 3x minus 1 all over minus 2 upon 3x minus 5 square root of 1 minus x squared. Mark scheme shows it in a lot less steps than I have used, and if you just are careful at the end, I had a minus 2 times 3x minus 5. I have 2 times 5 minus 3x.